welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have our shower. Okay, so looking in there, there's like a little bit there. I'm gonna pop that out, see if that will screw off, and then from this. But before we do that, we've got to figure out where to turn off our water. So we're gonna do that and get back to you, but we haven't got a clue at the moment. Everything's kind of sealed in. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, we're back. What we've done is here, you can see the little cap. If you get that up there, you can see it's got a little gap in the side, just there. That's where I got my screwdriver in there and just prise it out. Then inside there you have a Phillips screw, which screws into there. So this part now should come off with there. So we're gonna get our screwdriver just between there. We're gonna twist it that way, at the same time pulling, trying to get this off, and we'll see how we get on with it. See you again in a second. Okay, we got that out. But while I was trying to get the first bit off, I had a look to see if there's anything else holding it. And I saw underneath there, I don't know if you can see it, I don't know if I can locate it. I think that's it just there. It's a little Allen key. Yeah, that looks like it's holding this lot in. So we'll have to get something that can fit there and take that out before carrying on any further. Okay, I've managed to get it apart, and this is what's come out of it. Okay, now we have 3 O-rings on here, 1, 2, 3, and they're all different sizes. The screw that goes through there, okay, that's located in there. So this is not actually screwed in, it's just press fit. So if you're going to be fitting it back, you just need to line it up like that, press it in there, put your screw in, that will hold it in. So we're going to take this to the shop now. Okay, I've taken apart, and I'm also taking a picture, go to show the guy. If he can't match it up just by looking at it, maybe I'll match it up from the shower. Okay, that's what the shower looks like. Yeah? See you in a minute. Okay, we've been to our local hardware shop. We can't find it. It seems like it's going to be a nightmare, so we're going to have to do a Google search on it. This here in my hand is the screw that I was telling you about. So that goes through there and into there. If you look, you can see where it's threaded inside there. So we're going to put this back in for now. Okay? Thank you. See you later. And like I always say, if I don't manage to finish this video, let me just say it from now. If you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. So when you get your new one, basically put that back in just like that. Line up the hole there at the bottom there. So you're doing something like that. Put your screw in, put the other bit back on, put your screw through there, and that's it. Okay, people? Stop robbing people if you're doing it. See you later. Oh, before I go, make sure you cover that. Anything drop and bounce could end up losing it down the plug hole. See you later.